Hi, this is Kristen Saxon at Burris, and I wanted to show you a really cool technique I learned for read alouds. Like lots of things, I learned it from YouTube, but there were a couple little things that tripped me up, and so I thought I would do a screencast just to show you. So you can see the technique. You can see there's a floating head and the giant book pages, and I think it's a really cool technique, especially when you have a book that has illustrations that you really want to focus. And so it was pretty easy to do. The hardest part is really taking pictures of all the book pages. But I was going to sort of show you how it worked. So let me show you what you want to do is take the pictures, and then I did them on Google Slides. And so what I did is you just do it by spreads, take the pictures. You don't have to have great pictures. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just used a white background. I really didn't do anything fancy. So once you have it where you like it, you want to go to File and Download, and then you want to go to Microsoft PowerPoint, and you just want to save it somewhere that you can easily find it. And I named it the name of the book just to make it a little more organized. And so once you have that done, the next part is launching Zoom. And now the tricky part of this is you want to make sure that you have Zoom Desktop Client. So I had to actually download this. You want to make sure you have Zoom Desktop Client and the latest version, because I think this feature is a relatively new feature. So I'm going to launch Zoom. I'm going to go to New Meeting. And I am going to click on, so what you want to do is you want to screen share, but you go through at the top where it says Meeting, you go to Meeting, and then you go to Start Share. And so what you do is you click on the Advanced tab, and you should have a window here that says Slides as Virtual Background, and it says Beta Version. So that is what you want to select. And you want to click Share. So you want to find where you saved that. So let me go down and save mine. I have lots of stuff on my computer, but you can find, so I have last stop on Market Street, so I'm going to open it, and it takes a few moments for it to adjust. But shortly you should see the pages, and here I am. So what you want to do, you navigate just by clicking the arrow, and so what I actually do is I just read it from the screen. So, I'll have the pages and you just go through. Sometimes there's a little bit of maneuvering to get yourself in the best position. You can move yourself around while you're reading it. You can put yourself in the middle. I try to like to put myself sort of on the side, and you can make yourself as big as you want. If you want to be a big part of the story, you can do that. Or if you just want a little tiny Miss Saxon, you can do it that way. So it's a really cool technique. You just read through the story and you record it via Zoom, and then you can upload it to YouTube, or you can do however you showcase your videos. But one thing I wanted to point out is I have it set so I just pop up. If you have any problems when you pop up, you want to go to Video Settings and just check on the background filters. If you are doing this like in your studio and you want to do it in front of the green screen, you just make sure you click I have a green screen, but I'm just doing it regular in my office, and so I don't have to change anything. There's also like the video filters, but I don't do anything with that. But if you do it in front of the green screen, make sure that you select that. And then when you share the screen, it has all the normal features, but I think it's a really cool technique, and it's something that's very kind of attention getting. So I hope that you try it out and let me know if you have any problems with it. But the key element is to make sure you have the Zoom Desktop Client downloaded. Thank you.